Hello, who are you? I'm the king. I appear to be stuck outside my castle. Perhaps you could offer some help. You can open the doors by solving puzzles and questions. Don't worry, I'm here to help. The faster you can open the doors, the more you'll be rewarded. Use the trackpad to teleport, and use the trigger to pick up items. Good luck!
A clear narration and subtitles is used to navigate the player around the game. Using the trigger, I can pick up items, and using the trackpad, I can move around the map. Once the doors are open, a timer will begin. This timer will play until the very end of the game. This will promote fun for the user and keep them coming back to the game to learn more.
To open this door, you must choose the largest mammal in the world. Is it the elephant, giraffe, or blue whale? I hope you know your animals.
Sound effects will play depending whether you are correct or incorrect on the question.
To open this door, you must put a weight on the red box. If only there was something heavy enough to hold it.
For each of the tasks, I wanted to limit the movement for the player. This helps users with mobility issues and allows them to play at ease. By putting the box on the red platform, the objects will turn green. This tells the player they have achieved their goal and can move on to the next door.
To open the next door, you must pick up the key and put it in the lock. No, really, it's that simple.
Bright colours we use on objects and interactive items to tell the user where they need to go. This prevents confusion for the user and doesn't stop them learning.
Use the bow and arrow to solve the math equation on the wall to your left.
A bow was chosen to be an interactive item because it doesn't require much effort for the user to move their arms. An alternative would be throwing a ball, however some users may not be able to do this. Once you meet the end of the game, you will be met with your treasure and your time. You will have the option to restart or you can quit the game.
Hello, who are you? I'm the king. I appear to be stuck outside my castle. Perhaps you could offer some...
Thank you for watching my walkthrough of Puzzle Palace.